program to find the sum of following series. This time we'll take the series like this. Sum equals to 1 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 5. It will go to up to 1 divided by n. The main thing here is the first term is a positive, the second term is a negative, the third term is a positive, then the fourth term is a negative. To achieve this, what we'll do is 1 divided by 1 is nothing but 1. We will multiply it by 1. And then 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 0.5. We'll multiply it by minus 1. So that when I multiply it by positive 1, it will be as it is. But 0.5 when I multiply it by minus 1, it's going to be minus 0.5. And this previous value plus this negative plus minus plus and into minus is going to be minus. So 1 minus 0.5, it's going to be nothing but here 0.5. That means in third term again we have to multiply it by 1 divided by 3 is 0.33. That will multiply it by plus 1, and then whereas 1 divided by 4 is nothing but 0.25, this will multiply it by minus 1. That means once we have to multiply it by plus 1, second we have to multiply it by minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. So that means we have to generate one number as an plus 1, minus 1 like that. So we'll do that using a sign variable. We'll take one sign variable, its value, initial value is 1. Second time it has to be made as a minus 1. Then we'll multiply by minus 1. So plus 1 into minus 1 is going to be minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, it's going to be a plus 1. Plus 1 into again minus 1, it's going to be minus 1. And minus 1 into minus 1, it's going to be a plus 1. So that's how we can generate here plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 by multiplying it by minus 1. So the rest of the code is same as the previous example. Fine. Let's write a complete program. So to generate a natural number from 1 to n, we'll take one integer I variable. We need to accept the value of n, and also we need this minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 variable to be generated, value to be generated. So we'll do it with an sign. And the sum value will be of type float. Fine. Here accept the value of n first. Scanf percentage d, that is ampersand of n. Fine, let's take here n value is given as 4. Then your sum value will start from 0, I value will start from 1, and the first term should be a positive, so sign value also will initialize it to plus 1. Now take a do while loop. Here sum equals to the previous sum value plus sum equals to sum plus this previous sum value plus here 1.0 divided by I, that is 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 3. This whole thing first we'll multiply it with an sign and then add with an previous sum. That means if your I value is first time 1, then sum it's going to be like this. Sum initial value is 0 plus 1.0 divided by 1 into this result into plus 1, because sign value is nothing but plus 1. Okay, so sign value has been initialized to 1. So it's going to be nothing but 1 divided by 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is also 1. Then increment I value, I plus plus, so I will become now 2. Sign value has to be made as a negative, because earlier it was positive, now present is positive, you have to make it as negative. So sign equals to sign into minus 1. Okay, sign equals to sign into minus 1. So 1 into minus 1, it's going to be a minus 1. Sign value is minus 1. Then go back. This job has to be done till I reaches an n. So I is less than or equal to n. You keep on doing this job. Again go back, sum equals to sum plus, this time 1 plus, see here what happens, 1.0 divided by I value is 2 here. Okay, so 1.0 divided by 2 is 0.5 into sine is nothing but -1. So it's a 0.5 into -1 is going to be minus 0.5. So 1 plus minus 0.5, it's going to be now here 0.5. Then again I plus I is going to be 3. Same way it will do it for the 3 and 4. When you come out of the loop, you can display the sum by giving here sum equals to percentage f, that is a sum, and stop the program, return 0 and then close the main. Fine, let's try out this program on the code block. Fine, we accepted the value of n. Here I is 1, sum is 0, sign is positive 1 because the first term is a positive. If the first term is a negative, then naturally the sign has to be made as a -1. Here within the loop, sum equals to sum plus 1.0 divided by I. This whole result is been multiplied with a sign. And then I plus sign equals to sign into -1. And then when you come out of the loop, then display the sum of series. Let's run the program. So I'll give the value as 2, n value is in 2, you get the result as in 0.5. The same thing if I give here n value as in 4, get that as in 0.5. The program to find the sum of series.